Hello guys, welcome to Sparky once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about the key mining withdrawing update. Okay, in recent time I have received some questions in regard to withdrawal on key mining. For those of you who have been mining key or key projects, and then maybe you have been trying to withdraw all this while but you are not able to withdraw. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be explaining the withdrawal process and the latest information or the latest update on the key mining on key mining platform. All right, so all you need to do is to pay attention to this video, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video you are going to know every single thing about the withdrawing process. All right, but before we proceed, guys, my name is Sparky. If you're hearing my voice for the first time, you're coming across my channel for the first time, what I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips and money making ideas online on this my channel on daily basis. So if you are new, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be among the first person to be notified whenever I release new videos on business tips or money making ideas online. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving my WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. You can also join our WhatsApp group. The same thing I do here on YouTube is the same thing I do on my WhatsApp group. All right, I share business tips and money making ideas on my WhatsApp group. All right, you can also join after watching this video. The link is in the comment section. Now let's proceed. All right, now the latest update, for those of you who don't know what key mining is all about, let me briefly define it or explain to you guys what key mining is all about before I now proceed to talk about the withdrawing aspect. So now this key mining you are seeing here is a blockchain technology, is a crypto project, is a mining project, just like is a drop, just like the way we did on AZ Coiner. For those of you who mined AZ Coiner, or those of you who mined Bitcoin some years ago before it got listed on top exchanges, and we can now buy and trade Bitcoin today. So that's what this key mining is all about. Key coin, also known as key coin. All right, so it is also known as key coin. You can either call it key or key coin, the way we have Bitcoin. So that's the same way, and you can only accumulate this coin when you mine it. All right, if you don't mine it, you can't get it. All right, so that's how to accumulate it. Now after you have accumulated it, what happens? Can it be converted to cash? Yes, it can be converted to cash, but only when they get listed on exchanges, right? But now key mining recently passed information in regard to their withdrawing or their exchange. So we can see the announcement here. When you look at it here, you can see the announcement here, right? So announcement information, you can see that keychain will launch the withdrawal recharge function for key coins in the keychain wallet at 8 a.m. Washington time on July 25, which means it is tomorrow we are talking about. I am releasing this video on the 24th of July, and this key function on the key wallet is expected to be available on the date July 25th 2025. You can see it here. Keychain will launch the withdrawal and the recharge function for key coins in the keychain wallet at 8 a.m. So you can see it here. So let me show you guys. All right, so when you come to this place here, you can see this wallet they are talking about. Here is the wallet they are talking about. So which means when it is launched here, the key can actually be traded, and you can accumulate this key only when you mine. And then they also have the exchange. This is where you can exchange the key for USDT, and once it's exchanged for USDT, this simply means that it can be, you can see it here, it can be withdrawn to any BEP20 address decentralized exchange. All right, however, we don't know the listing date yet. It is when they list on exchanges, I think that's when we can actually, or we can officially trade it. But for now, you can keep mining. All right, mining is every 24 hours. You keep on accumulating it. This one is just like bit token. For those of you who are participating in bit token, if you are mining bit token, it's almost the same thing. So this one, you mine this one 24 hours and then you accumulate the key coins. All right, so that is how it is. However, I will not hesitate to release another video on how to transfer it to exchange or how to withdraw it to exchange when the withdrawing portion officially open. All right, for now this is the latest information. So for you not to miss out my latest video on how to withdraw it, the process, if you don't know how to withdraw it to your exchanges, to your decentralized exchanges, so all you need to do is to hit on the subscribe button shown on the screen and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever the withdrawing portion function is available, I will release another video so that you will see how to do it step by step. All right, thank you for watching this video, and then if you have another question, feel free to comment below. I'll be there to answer you. All right, thank you. I remain Sparky.